What's up, gang? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Smash 8 in the building. Y'all see what's going on. We over here at Dare to Dream Motorsports. My boy Jeremy over here gonna get me together, man. We got the Audi in the Bay, man, so you know what's going down, man. We got some boxes. Y'all see we got some boxes over here, man. Shout out to my family for getting me a couple of those for Christmas. And your boy had to buy the other two, you know what I mean? So we definitely about to get some exhaust cracking on this thing. Sadly, I'm not gonna be able to record it all because I'm gonna be at work. So I'm gonna drop the car off, have my boy Jeremy knock this out for me. But we definitely gonna get some exhaust clips for y'all, some before, some after, so y'all can see what's going on, how everything sounds. I went with this combination specifically because this is what, you know, everybody's kind of going with on the forums and everything like that. So, you know, you got the two vibrant mufflers, you got the cap test pipes, and then you got the Magaflow. I think it's the 11-385 or something like that, 386. We got that in there for the mid muffler or whatever, man. So we gonna have this Audi over here barking, making a little bit of noise and everything like that. So your boy is excited. You see the smile. You definitely see the smile. So make sure y'all like the video, subscribe to the channel, because we getting it going. We definitely getting it going. So, man, we getting a little overview of the Audis for all the new viewers and everything. So yeah, if y'all haven't seen it, you see we got the bronze wheels. Got those painted. A little iffy about it, you know what I'm saying? We gonna see how we gonna do with those, you know. But man, what's up, my man? Yeah, I know, man. It's like I get iffy about them, to be honest. And sadly, I see one of them is already look like it's got a little chip on there or whatever. So we don't know if we're gonna keep it. But the car, it looks pretty good. The car does look good, you know. It is dirty, of course, you know, because it is winter out here. But the car does look pretty good. Give you guys a nice little overview of what's going on. We're gonna do a couple blackout things and everything, so we ain't gonna say too much, but definitely stay tuned for that, because we're far from finished. We're definitely far from finished. So like I said, we're getting the exhaust done. Definitely getting the exhaust done. We're gonna bust these boxes open. I'm gonna probably show y'all so y'all can see what's going on, the quality and everything that's going on with these stuff, and then I'll be back with y'all in a minute. All right, y'all. All right, gang, y'all see what's going on. Jeremy's about to move the car up, so we're going to get a slight exhaust clip. Y'all see we got the boxes laid out so y'all can see what parts is going on, and then we're going to let it go from there. All right. As you see, the car is stock as hell. Besides, we got the intake over here. Shout out to my boy Jeremy at Dare to Dream. He's always getting me together. He installed that for me, so big shout out to him. But yeah, the car is stock. So we are ready, definitely ready to get these on. So as we see, we got the cap test pipes, and man, those things look good. Definitely, they look good. Definitely got those. We got the vibrant mufflers. Definitely got those, you know what I'm saying, the ultra quads. Let y'all see what's going on. So we got those. All right, y'all, we back. You know, we had a flippy, you know what I mean? Can't let y'all know where I live and everything like that. Don't want no weird shit going on. But anyway, we got the Magaflow. There it is, the 11-385. That's what it is. So we are excited and ready to get that on the Audi, man. I am definitely ready to hear the noise. I'm on YouTube all the time researching, definitely trying to see, you know, the good combos with this. And this seems like the pretty well-known combo for everybody. So I decided to definitely go in with that one for sure, definitely. So Jeremy's getting the car on a lift. He said he's about to lift it up so we can get a good look under the car and see what's kind of going on. Luckily for me, I haven't seen under the car at all. You know what I mean? I bought the car sight unseen. So that was kind of in the process. I definitely, let me know in the comments if y'all want me to do a video about that. What is the pros and cons of buying a car sight unseen? Definitely let me know in the comments about that. But we gonna get the car lift up, and then I'll check back in with y'all in a minute. All right, y'all. right, gang, y'all see what's going on. We got the Audi on the lift, and oh my goodness, this thing is way cleaner than I thought it was. Man, definitely coming out of California, I knew it was gonna be clean, but this thing looks really damn good, man. Check out everything that's going on, man. Everything looks damn near factory shit. It looks factory as hell. But man, y'all see the exhaust. We definitely gonna get that going. Definitely gonna get, you know what I'm saying, get some cutting, get some welding going on. This is just a video so y'all can see the full exhaust. I'm sure y'all done seen all this plenty of times, but you know what I mean, I definitely want to get this for myself and any other new viewers so they can see what's going on. But it's clean as hell under here, man. It's clean as hell. Damn, y'all see what's going on. We got that good old sports diff right there, man. Definitely, if you ain't got that on your Audi, man, I don't really know too much, but I do know this is the shit. I definitely heard and known this is the shit. So definitely want that if you're looking at getting one of these cars. So we definitely, man, it looks, yeah, I'm seeing this as you guys seeing this. So it looks really, really clean. Like everything is intact. Everything looks pretty well good, you know what I mean? Pretty well done and stuff. So yeah, even the brace, like, got a little dirt, but I mean, this is under the car and it still looks, it looks pretty damn good, man. That's crazy as hell. So all right, y'all, we gonna end up closing this out. We gonna get the I'm gonna insert the exhaust clip, you know what I mean, not insert the exhaust clip, insert probably a little clip that y'all seen. Well, if you checked out my last video when I did the intake, definitely check that out. If you haven't, we're gonna insert that so y'all can hear a little exhaust noise. You're gonna hear more intake than anything, but we're gonna insert that so y'all can see what's going on as far as exhaust wise, and then we gonna throw the rest of the clips when I come pick up the car and everything like that back in the video. So y'all stay tuned for that, man. I appreciate y'all for checking out the video. This is not gonna be the end of the video. This is just gonna be a little brief little moment. We'll be back. All right, y'all. Changing some things up. So let's see. We got the car in sport mode already. As you see, you know what I'm saying, she does pretty good, you know what I mean? What's up, gang? Welcome back to the video. Y'all see what's going on. We back over here at Dare to Dream Motorsports. So in the last couple clips, y'all seen that I was getting the exhaust on the Audi. Y'all seen that we had the mufflers and everything laid out so y'all can see what we was working with. Now I am back 24 hours later, man. Big shout out to my boy Jeremy and Jess over there getting me together. They always going crazy on my shit, man. I really appreciate it. They know, you know, I always tell them, man, if y'all need any work and you're around the Kansas City area or Kansas area, definitely tap in with my boy, man. Dare to Dream Motorsports, he'll get you all the way together for sure. All right, so now we gonna get a couple clips so y'all can see what we got working with on this exhaust right here. We working late today. My boy Jeremy's knocking me out. Definitely appreciate it, my man. And this shit looks good as hell. Y'all see what's going on. So we got the Magaflow right there. We got the vibrant mufflers right there. And man, oh man, they going crazy on it. Definitely going crazy. Jeremy said this shit was ass, low-key. He said it took some time, definitely, to get these test pipes, man. Y'all see we got the CTS, not the CTS, the cap test pipes up there. Get a cool little clip so y'all can see what's going on. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, damn. There it is right there. I'm over here looking way out of the way. Y'all see what's going on. So, I'm going to get out his way so he can finish getting this going together, because they got to finish this up. And like I said, it's late on a Friday night, so I'm sure they want to get up out of here. I'll start recording a little bit more when we get the car on the ground. When we get some more exhaust clips. We'll be back. All right, y'all.
Companies put useless cheated gaskets.
Well, at least they took their time with it for sure. Man, that shit look good. All right, gang, y'all see what's going on. Y'all seen the last clip. We got the exhaust on and everything like that, and the car sounds good. We just heard, I'm going to insert the clip, of course, so y'all can hear it, but we just got a little sneak peek, you know what I mean? I'm about to get ready to take the car and get up out of here. It's 11 o'clock on a Friday, man. I'm telling you. Fuck with your mechanic, he gonna fuck with you, man. That's all I'm saying, man. If you really putting that in work, you really messing with your mechanic, he gonna get you together every time, man. That's why I really appreciate Dare to Dream, man. Big shout out to them, man. They always get me together. But hey, like I said, I'm gonna insert the clip so y'all can see what's going on. Y'all can hear it. I'm gonna try to get y'all some driving footage as well, so we're gonna insert that as well. And until then, we're gonna get up out of here, man. Make sure y'all like the video, subscribe to the channel. It's your boy Smash 8 in the building, man. We out with another one. All right, gang.